a Turkish drama Ertugrul, which has broken all records on the YouTube. Muslims in the subcontinent are praising it so much that anyone who tells them not to watch it is considered anti-Islamic. This serial is supported by Erdogan, and Imran Khan also praised it. Deoband literally had to pass a fatwa against it. What is your nasiha, advice, to the youth who are wasting their time in Ramadan in this haram serial? A similar question asked by, my name is Tasadduq from Kashmir. Is it permissible in Islam to watch Ertugrul serial? So surely it is not totally Islamic at all. So no one can give you fatwa that watching is permissible. But I would like to go a step further, that what we have to realize, that because of the evil that is spread throughout the world, anyone who's not watching serial, I would recommend this is haram for you, don't watch it at all. Please. If those who are hooked on to serials and movies, and then if they watch Ertugrul, and Ertugrul also everything is authentic, maybe 20% is authentic, but it tries to get a person closer to Islam and tries to revive your passion. Please let me tell you again, I have not done a full survey on the Ertugrul release. I am not the app person, but what reports I read, based on that, yes, it is haram. Seeing Ertugrul is haram. But if you are hooked on, and if you are watching Bollywood movies, and if you are watching Hollywood movies, surely watching this and not watching that is better than not watching this and watching Hollywood movies. I am very clear. Instead of watching a Hollywood or a Bollywood movie, I would prefer you stopping it, number one. If you can't stop because you're hooked on to serial, then watching Ertugrul is better than watching Bollywood and Hollywood. This in short, but yet it is haram, but surely it will be a lesser haram as compared to the Hollywood and Bollywood movies. And inshallah, this may get you closer to Islam, and that time, and maybe later on, you may stop watching all these haram and then follow, and then reading the Quran is the best, reading the Hadith is the best. And it is my desire. For example, I cannot make a movie even like Messaging if I want to, because it's against my principle. If I want, I cannot even make a serial like Umar serial, because it's against my principle. There is a desire of mine that inshallah, one day, I would like to make a movie better than the Message movie, which is the best available, but following all the principles of Islam.